Hi, this is Trisha from blogherway.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Tailwind Create. One of the reasons why I like Tailwind is it helps to improve your overall workflow when it comes to sharing to social media. One of Tailwind's newest features is Tailwind Create. Tailwind Create allows you to create pins for your content directly within the Tailwind platform. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Tailwind Create to help speed up your workflow when it comes to creating pins for your content and sharing your content to Pinterest. If you've never used Tailwind before, it is a tool that allows you to schedule out your social media content. I personally use Tailwind to schedule out my Pinterest content, but it also does Instagram. Before we get started, I want to let you know that I am an affiliate for Tailwind. Tailwind offers a free trial where you can schedule out 100 pins for free. In the description below, I will leave my affiliate link where you can sign up for your free trial of Tailwind. Also, as an affiliate, I was compensated for creating this video. From your Tailwind dashboard, you'll want to click on the left-hand menu where it says Tailwind Create. If you've never used Tailwind Create before, you'll see this welcome screen. You can go ahead and click on Start Creating Now. First off, you can personalize your Tailwind Create experience by setting your brand preferences. Go ahead and enter your website or brand name. The next step is to choose your font. So you can choose a font for your title, main title, and then a font for your subtitle. Go ahead and click to select your font. You can type in the box if you already know your preferred font name here. You also have the option to upload your own custom font into Tailwind. And then Tailwind also has these suggested curated font pairings that you can use as well. So you can scroll through this list or search by your preferred font. So we'll try this one here. The next step is to add your branded colors. So you can click on the circle here and enter the hex code, or you can select the RGB color or use the color picker to select your preferred color here. Tailwind also offers some pre-made kind of color palettes here that you can choose from as well. And then finally, you can add your logo. In this case, they recommend a minimum file size of 200 pixels by 200 pixels for best results. In this case, I'm going to skip adding my logo at this time. So we'll go ahead and save and continue. First off, you are going to add your URL to your blog post. In this case, I'm going to do my blog post about how to organize your Pinterest boards. After you add the destination link, Tailwind Create will automatically pull in your title for that blog post. You can choose to leave it as is, or you can edit it. So in this case, I'm just going to take off this last part here. Here under photos, you have the option to upload a photo. You'll see here the recommended minimum is 600 pixels by 600 pixels. Ideally, when it comes to Pinterest, you don't want to use a horizontal photo. You'd want to use one that is either a square or a vertical ratio. After adding your destination link, Tailwind Create will automatically pull the photos from your blog post here. So you can choose to select one of those photos, or you can upload one directly, or you can choose one of Tailwind Create's stock photos. In this case, I searched for flat lay, so we'll go ahead and try one of these images here to see how it does. And then you'll get this description here to select multiple photos so you can see a variety of designs. So you can select more than one here. Once you've selected your multiple images here, go ahead and click on Create Images. Okay. So here is Tailwind Create's Design Gallery, where you can look at the pre-designed templates that they have made, taking your images and your Pinterest title into account. Under filters, you can sort by content type. You can sort through industry and your niche. And then you can also sort through pin format. So because this is a how-to post, I'm going to look at how to post. And then you have the option to scroll down and see. If you have found a style that you like, so you can click to restyle. You can change the colors just by hitting colors here. You can choose to kind of move the photos around. You can select the colors if you want here. And then layout, you can change the way the layout looks. And then you can select edit. You can click on the different elements here if you want to change it here. So in this case, we'll put that on the bottom. And then I'm going to make this a subtitle text instead. So we'll click out and then bringing this up here, and then we'll just add a subtitle text. So we'll go 3 simple tips. And then in the editing panel here, you have the option to change your font. You can change the alignment, make it bold, decrease the text size here. Go back here. And then let's go ahead and move this up, and then we will drag out the sides here so we can get it in one layer here. And then under here, you can even change the opacity of it if you'd like. You can change the color. So in this case, we'll make it white. You can decrease the sizing of it here. In this case, if you would like to get rid of an image, you can just go ahead and click on it and then delete it. So we'll just use one photo here. Once you have finished making changes to your design, you can choose to favorite this design to use it in future projects. And then you can just click on Save and Go Back. You'll notice under design settings here, you will see photos listed. You can, clicking on the drop down arrow, you'll see those initial photos that you added. You can click to upload more photos, or you can again search under the stock photos here. Looking at the text here, you can change your title text. If you would like to add a subtitle text or a call to action text, you can do that from here as well. So in this case, I'm going to change this here, and then I'm going to add a subtitle text, and we're going to do our 3 simple tips here, and then we'll leave that there. And then under color palettes, you can change the color palette if you'd like here. And then branding, you can select no branding. In this case, we have website or brand, which you'll see that Block Your Way is listed here. If you uploaded a logo at the beginning step, then you can select the logo here. And then here is where the destination link is that you can change there as well. After you have edited the pin, you can click to favorite this design here, and then you can click to select that pin. And then from here, we'll go ahead and review our selection here. So we have how to organize your Pinterest board, 3 simple tips. We have it selected, and then from here you can go to, you can download it. And then you can see that pin here ready to go. And then you can go to schedule your pin. From here you can type in your board name. So we'll go blogging tips. It will automatically fill in your Pinterest title here, and then you can go ahead and enter your description. From here you can add it to your community. You can add it to your Smart Lip, or you can share it to Facebook. You can also select a custom time for this pin, or you can choose to add it to your queue, so then it will go out at the next scheduled time there as well. Okay, when you go back into Tailwind Create here, you will notice your plan information here. For right now, I'm just using the free plan, which offers 15 free designs every month. And these include designs that have been downloaded or sent to drafts. These will reset each month. So I'm at the end of April. I have 15 to use through this month, and then May it will reset at 15. From the Tailwind Create dashboard here, you can click to start a new design. You will see your plan information here. You will see the brand preferences where you can select to update your brand preferences. Tailwind offers a vast library of tutorials, so you can click to see them here. And then what you'll notice from this our previous design session is you'll see here browse completed session. So you can click back into the session we just did if you wanted to create more pins, more designs from that session there below as well. Thank you for watching this video on how to use Tailwind Create. This is a nice new feature from Tailwind that allows you to create Pinterest pins directly within the Tailwind platform and then to save it to your Pinterest profile. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. This is Trisha from blogherway.com. See you next time.